Hey guys, it's Patrick here and I am back with another gaming PC build. This time it won't be such a monster like last time with an X99 Deluxe, dual 970s and a 5960X CPU. Instead, this time we'll be aiming at the $1,000 mark. This computer is mainly going to be used for gaming, but it can also handle some editing work. So for the parts, we got a hot red ASRock Z97 killer motherboard, a quad-core Intel i5-4690K, and cooling the CPU, we got a Cooler Master Hyper 212X. For storage, we have a 120GB Samsung SSD and a Western Digital Blue 1TB hard drive. We also got some Corsair Dominator 4x2GB RAM, a GB G1 Gaming GTX 970 graphics card, and an Antec 620 semi-modular power supply. Last but not least, we have a Corsair Spec 1 chassis. All these parts together will form an amazing gaming PC for just over $1,000. And I hope you guys enjoy our montage of us installing all these parts.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
We spent a total of 8,400 Hong Kong dollars, which translates to around about 1,083 US dollars. You can spend a bit more on this build by adding a CD drive, LED strip, and even more fans. This case choice surprisingly saved us a lot of headaches. The CPU cooler just managed to clear the case thanks to the side panel moving out. And also the graphics card is extremely long due to it being the Gigabyte G1 Gaming Edition, but luckily the center of the case has a clearance for bigger cards. If you wanted to go SLI, you can remove the lower drive cage, which will allow more space for a graphics card. So this case was actually perfect for our build and I'll definitely recommend it, even though it doesn't have any rubber grommets. So I hope you guys enjoy this build. I have the specs of this desktop in the description below, and feel free to drop a comment and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time on Patrick's Axe.